Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's rear bumper delete for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's existing rear bumper according to the manufacturer's instructions. We give instructions on how to remove your factory bumper in another video linked below. Step 2. Insert the supplied nut plate into the passenger side frame so that the holes point down. Step 3. Place your rear bumper delete onto the frame so that the left and right bolt holes and slots line up. Step 4. Loosely reinstall the factory bolts into their previous location. Next, install the provided 18mm bolts and washers through the bottom and into the nut plate. Tighten and secure the delete. Lastly, install your D-rings. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road JL rear bumper delete. Insert the supplied nut plate into the passenger side frame so that the holes point down.